Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right? You listen in class, you read the chapters, you highlight the text, and yet, when it comes to the exam, your mind is a total blank. If this is you, I have a secret. Learning isn't magic, it's mechanics. And most of the time, you aren't failing the content. You're just fighting your own biology. Every piece of information you meet, numbers, sounds, diagrams, textures, enters through the senses and is routed to the hypothalamus. That center sorts, filters, and sends it to the cortex, where the data is stored like items in safes, precise, organized, but not automatically accessible. You retrieve a safe in only 2 reliable ways. You create a path by asking why. Reasoning burns a trace into the cortex. The brain labels the information as meaningful, not random. You associate it with something you already love. If you place your favorite music or snack next to the content you avoid, the brain retrieves the snack and drags the maths with it. Retrieval becomes automatic, not forced. Think of your brain like a high-security warehouse. Every piece of info, numbers, textures, sounds, enters through the senses and hits the hypothalamus. This is your brain's sorting center. From there, it's sent to the cortex, where it's stored in safes. The data is there, it's precise and organized. But here's the catch. The safes don't come with a key. You have to build the path to get back inside. For an ADHD brain, that path often disappears the moment we stop looking at it. There are only 2 reliable ways to build a path to those memory safes. The first is the why path. Instead of asking, how do I solve this? You need to ask, why does this formula even exist? Reasoning burns a permanent trace into your cortex. It tells your brain, this isn't random junk, this is meaningful. I remember my classmates used to tease me for asking why a triangle had a 90-degree angle when it seemed obvious. They said, just move on. Well, guess who has the maths degree now? Never feel shy about asking the simple questions. If you don't know the why, you're driving without a map. Every road starts to look the same, and that's exactly how you get lost during a test. The second way is the dopamine anchor. ADHD brains crave stimulation. If a math fact is a pair of boring gray socks, your brain won't prioritize it. But if you pair those socks with something you love, a specific snack, a favorite song, or even a background TV show, you create an association. I know, some parents and teachers say you shouldn't listen to music while studying, but they aren't living in your brain. For us, that background noise reduces stress. It gives the restless part of your mind something to do, so the rest of your brain can focus on the math. Your cortex doesn't need your eyes to learn. It just needs a reason to care. So, the next time you feel stupid because a concept isn't sticking, stop. Check your mechanics. Are you asking why? Are you using a dopamine anchor? Work with your biology, not against it. You've got this.
Right, Morley. Let's try again, shall we? This is called adding. If I have 2 beans, and then I add 2 more beans, what do I have?
Some beans.
If you're tired of feeling like your brain is fighting you, hit that subscribe button. We're building a community here where maths and ADHD actually make sense together. I want to hear from you. What is your dopamine anchor? Is it a specific song? A snack? Let me know in the comments so we can share ideas. And for more resources, guides, or to book a trial session with me, head over to mathswithadhd.com. Let's stop failing the biology and start winning at maths.